In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unzip multiple zip files in Windows. If you've ever downloaded a bunch of compressed files and felt overwhelmed at the idea of opening them one by one, this walkthrough will make the process simple and efficient. First, make sure all the zip files you want to extract are saved in the same folder. This isn't strictly required, but it makes everything much easier to manage and reduces the chance of missing one. You can quickly move them into a single folder by dragging and dropping from your downloads or wherever they're currently stored. Next, open that folder so you can see all of your zip files in one place. Take a moment to confirm that these are really the files you want to extract. Zip files usually have a .zip extension and show an icon that looks like a folder with a zipper. If you see other archive types, like .rar or .7z, those may require additional software, but standard zip files work directly in Windows. Now, select all the zip files you want to unzip. The quickest way is to click on any empty space in the folder. Then press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select everything. If you only want some of them, hold down the Ctrl key while clicking each zip file you want to include. Take care here, because whatever you select is what will be extracted. Once your zip files are selected, right-click on any one of them. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Extract All. This is the built-in Windows extraction tool, so you don't need to install anything extra for this to work with normal zip files. When you click Extract All, a window will pop up asking where you want the extracted files to go. By default, Windows suggests a new folder with the same name as the zip file, usually inside the current location. If you're extracting multiple zips at once, each one will get its own folder. You can accept the default location, or click Browse, and choose a different folder if you prefer to keep everything organized in a specific place. Before you continue, check the box that says Show extracted files when complete, if you want Windows to automatically open the destination folder when it's done. This is helpful so you can quickly verify the results. When you're ready, click the Extract button. Windows will now go through each selected zip file and unpack its contents. The time this takes depends on how many files you're extracting and how large they are. While it's working, try not to move or rename the original zip files, as that can interrupt the process. When the extraction finishes, you'll see the new folders, each containing the files from its corresponding zip. You can now open, edit, or move these files just like any other. If everything looks good and you no longer need the compressed versions, you can safely delete the original zip files to free up space. Though it's often a good idea to keep them until you're sure the extraction was successful. And that's all there is to it. By grouping your zip files, selecting them together, and using the Extract All function, you can unzip multiple archives in Windows quickly and with minimal effort.